Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tesla app for charging and supercharger settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app. You will see a prompt to log in or create an account. If you already have a Tesla account, enter your email and password. If you are new to Tesla, tap on Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your details. You will need to provide your name, email, and phone number. After entering your information, tap on Continue. Check your email for a verification link. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the app and log in. Now that you are logged in, go to the charging section. Here, you will see information about charging your Tesla. To set up Supercharger settings, tap on Supercharging. Enable features like charge to maximum range if desired. You can also adjust the charging limit here. Explore settings for scheduled charging if you want to charge during off-peak hours. After making your adjustments, ensure to save any changes. Now, you're ready to use the Tesla app for charging and supercharging settings. You can locate nearby superchargers through the app's map feature. Simply tap on a supercharger to see wait times and availability. When you're ready to charge, navigate to your selected location. Follow the prompts in the app to initiate charging at the supercharger. Monitor your charging status directly from the app. Once charging is complete, you'll receive a notification. Feel free to explore additional features within the app to enhance your Tesla experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.